Looker and LookML provides a powerful combination for data exploration, analysis, and modeling. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into Looker's capabilities and introduce LookML, Looker's modeling language. Through detailed code examples and explanations, you will gain a solid understanding of how Looker and LookML work together to unlock insights from your data. Looker is a robust business intelligence platform that enables users to explore, analyze, and visualize data from various sources. It offers a user-friendly interface and powerful backend capabilities, making it a go-to tool for data professionals. LookML serves as the backbone of Looker, providing a flexible and efficient way to model data and define business logic. Let's explore some key concepts and code examples to help you grasp LookML's potential. Creating a model. A model in Looker represents a specific data source or database schema. Here is an example of creating a model. Defining and explore. An explorer defines the data tables or views you want to analyze. It specifies dimensions, measures, filters, and joins. Take a look at the following code snippets. Building views. Views define reusable SQL patterns and calculations that can be shared across multiple explorers. Here is an example of a view definition. Exploring data with Looker. Once you have defined your data model using LookML, you can leverage Looker's user interface to explore and visualize data. Here are a few steps to get started. Create a look. Looks are saved queries in Looker. You can create them using Looker's interface by selecting dimensions, measures, and filters, and generate visualizations. Looker provides a wide range of visualizations options to represent your data effectively. You can create charts, graphs, tables, and more to visualize your insights. And apply filters and drill down. Looker allows users to apply filters and drill down into the data to gain deeper insights. You can explore different dimensions and measures dynamically, and share and collaborate. Looker enables easy sharing of looks, dashboards, and visualizations with team members. You can collaborate, add comments, and provide access to specific reports as needed. Looker and LookML empower users to unlock the full potential of their data through intuitive exploration, powerful modeling, and collaborative analytics. By understanding Looker's interface and harnessing LookML's flexibility, you can effectively explore and analyze your data, uncover meaningful insights, and make data-driven decisions. Remember, this video serves as a starting point for your Looker and LookML journey, continue exploring Looker's documentation and resources to dive deeper into the vast array of features and functionalities. Embrace the power of Looker and LookML to transform your data into actionable intelligence. And quick reminder, Looker and LookML are continuously evolving. Refer to the official Looker documentation and resources for the latest information and updates on Looker's features and LookML syntax.